Drum, drum, drum. Yogurt drums. Make the yogurt drums.
Yogurt drums.
No way.
Yogurt drums. Are you done now that you've
You all
done
finished?
that?
Luca, do you want some cottage cheese?
Kind of.
Okay,
Yeah,
now,
she's like, she doesn't even eat cottage cheese.
whatever that is, I'm having it.
Freaking I
Kaya, you got a squeal?
Don't open it, honestly.
Here, why don't I put it in a cup? They can share one in a
Yeah, because she.
bowl and then.
Excuse me.
Yes, you are gonna share. The weasel. He's like, I need a whole one. He loves cottage cheese.
This guy just rubs that yogurt right into the table.
Makes me feel
Kaya, you got your arm leaned back there? You comfortable? Want something to put your feet up on?
I don't know why I gave him the sticky bottom cut. He's gonna-
Nothing to stick to.
Holy moly.
Look at that face.
Like,
What is this crap you're giving me?
What the hell are you doing, Bessie?
Who would put the name cottage in front of cheese?
This stuff.
Is that yummy? Is that yummy? It's a good trick. Awesome. Look at him while he's shoving it down.
Oh, that's good.
He's really digging this. I think I should give it another go.
She's like,
The face.
This is the one food he will not waste.
she's like, there must be something I'm missing about this. The way he, figure with what she's eating.
Like, I don't need a spoon.
She's not gonna have it though.
She just shoveled.
He's like, forget the spoon. It's the 10 Rogers hand shovel.
Nothing good came from a hand shoveling.
And or the Rosie style.
She's like, maybe if I just plunge right into it. No, Kaya.
Look at these two. Don't worry, I'm gonna get it all. They haven't seen each other in a long time. Let's have fun today. But never again, you two. Hey!